Hey guys, Coach Keith here. We're gonna learn how to tie your belt today. So, there's a couple different ways you can do this. This is the way that I do it, and I tie all the other students' belts. So, this is the way that I learned when I was a kid. So, if you see another way or you know a different way to tie it, feel free to do it that way. Just remember we want to end with the same result here, and you'll see how that works. So I start with my belt and I put it around my waist. Now this is the left side of my body over here. I put this left tail right to my knee. So I want to stretch it out this way and get a short side near my knee. What I'm going to do now is take the long side and go all the way around my waist. All the way around so that it goes over in the back. So it's not crooked or anything like that. I want it to be straight across. Now once I get here, notice this is shorter, this is longer. I want to turn, I grab everything. Okay, I grab the whole belt, all these pieces here, and I turn it, give some slack here so that we have equal ends. The side that I brought around is going to go over and under both parts of my belt. So not through this one in front. Okay, it's got to go under the nearest one. Okay. Now I have my tails, a top and a bottom one. From here, before I tighten my belt, I want to make sure that it's not super tight around my waist, because then it's difficult to do things. So I need it to be slightly loose. I'm going to take the top tail, put it over this bottom one, underneath this hole, and I pull it through so that these go down and not up. So what I mean by that is if before you go through that hole, okay, I don't want to take this bottom one and come over top and then pull it through, because my belt is going to look like this here, which is not the way it should look. Okay, I always take the top, put it over the bottom. This top one pulls through to the opposite side. So our belt looks just like this right here. We want a nice clean looking belt all the way through. We don't want it like this, or it's crooked and turned. If I follow the steps and take my time, we'll end up with a finished product like this. A way to help your kids learn how to tie their belt is to have them do it at home. Have them do it once a day or twice a day. It literally takes maybe a minute or so. After they learn how to do it, or if you help guide them through it, if you do it for a certain amount of time, it's just like any other skill, you'll start to remember it. But if they only practice tying their belt one time or 2 times a week, when they come to class and maybe they're rushed, they're not going to remember how to do it. So just like anything else, take the time, you have it down, and once you learn how to do it, you'll never forget.